welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Today I created this colorful look inspired by the Blue Madonna album by Borns. Today I created this colorful look inspired by the Blue Madonna album by Borns. I'm wearing the shirt that I got, which basically is where I got all my color inspo from. I just went to his concert on Tuesday with my friends and it was amazing. It was the best time ever, so I thought, what better time to create this look than now? So without babbling on any further, if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm going to start off with Sugarpill's Butter Cupcake, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush. This is MAC's 224S brush. I've never used any MAC brushes, so today will be the first day I use a MAC brush. So I'm going to start by placing that in my crease, and we're going to blend it all out. This will be our transition shade today. So I'm bringing this all the way out here and to my inner corner a little bit. Next I'm taking this orange shade. I don't remember the name of this shade. It's like on the tip of my tongue, but I'll have it in the description below. I'm going to take that and we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're not going to blend it out as far. So putting it in the crease and just start buffing it into the Butter Cupcake shade. Next we're taking the shade Love Plus, and again we're going to put this in the crease and start blending it up, but not taking it as far as the orange and yellow shades. Now I'm going to try and do a cut crease. I'm not the best at these because I don't do them very often, but I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape for this and a teeny tiny little concealer brush. So I just take a little bit on this brush. So what I like to do is press it onto your lid, drag it down, and then look up, and if it transfers then you know you need to go a little bit higher. I'm not going to do a full cut crease though, I think just a half one because I find that the full ones don't look that great on me. Also, another important step is to really just take your time and be patient. If you mess up, it's okay, we can fix it a little bit. Like I just kind of messed up the shape, but we can go over that and we can fix it all up, so don't worry. That is as far as I want mine to go. So I'm not going to set the concealer because I want to get as much pigmentation out of the next shade I use as possible. I'm going to use Virgin Island from Nabla Cosmetics. It's this really pretty blue shade, but it also has like reflex of purple when you like turn it in the light, and it's like a dark blue and a teal and a purple all in one. It's amazing. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and spray it with some Fix Plus, and we're just going to go right over that concealer. Next we're taking the Suede Lips from Rodial. This is in the shade Rodeo Drive. And we're basically going to fill in this outer corner area. I'm using this first so that I can get a really deep red, and then we're going to go in with purple to deepen it up even more. I'm lightly putting this on the edge of the blue shadow so that I can kind of blend them together easier. I didn't really mean to, but I kind of made this blue like at an angle, so I evened it out with this other side, and I really like how it looks. So next I'm using this flat brush from MAC. This is the 217S brush, and we're going to go in with that Love Plus shade and go right on top of where we put the Rodial Suede Lips. You see how immediately like that looks so much deeper because we put that other thing down first? And rather than swiping, I'm just kind of patting this on top. And then I'm lightly going to pat it over the edge of the blue to kind of merge them together. I'm just going slightly above the blue to kind of deepen up that red shade. And I'm just using the tip of this brush. Next we're taking this purple shade. I have absolutely no idea what shade this is because I have never used it. But I will again have it in the description below. And for this next step, we're going to use a much smaller defining brush. This is the MAC 219S brush. And first, I'm going to go right in the crease, the outer crease, not the whole crease. And then the outer corner, and kind of bring it into the red shade. And I'm just patting that over the blue again to merge the colors together. See how much that deepened that up compared to this side? I'm gonna go over that with just a little more Love Plus to kind of bring back the redness and not so purpley. You know, for never doing cut creases, I kind of impressed myself. I really like how this looks. Time for the under eye. This, I think, is going to be all just red, and then we might deepen up the outer corner just a hair. For the under eye, I'm going to start with the Rodial pencil again, and we're going to take this in the waterline and underneath the lash line. We're going straight in with Love Plus on that flat brush, and I'm going to use the end of it again so that I can keep it real close to my lash line. Now I'm trying to lightly blend out the edges. We're going to take a little more of that purple shade and keep that towards the outer corner. This is just going to give us a little more definition and kind of pulls everything together. For highlight today, I'm going to use Glazed Donut from Ofra Cosmetics. So one of my neighbors is like just revving their engine over and over and over again. I don't know if you can hear that. It's really annoying. They were doing it all night yesterday for like hours. So if this doesn't stop and it ends up in the video, I'm really sorry. Just gonna apologize for that right now. I don't know what they're doing, but they need to stop. Anywho, I'll be using my Habana brush from Nabla Cosmetics, of course. I'm gonna throw on some mascara using my Bleach London. I don't know if there's a name for this. I guess it's just their Bleach London mascara. I'm gonna wear my Nirvana lashes from Rouge and Rogue. I just took a miniature lunch break, so if the lighting looks any different in here, I'm really sorry. But next we're gonna use some Lime Crime Diamond Dews. I'm gonna use the shade Tearful and put that a little bit in my inner corner. I should have done this before my lashes, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna place this in the inner corner and then pat it out with my finger. I just found these little stencil things in my makeup drawer, and I really can't remember where they came from. But these ones have little stars, and I thought it'd be really cute to put them on my cheek. So we're gonna do that. And for this, I'm gonna use the Dragon Diamond Dew. I think I'm gonna do these smaller ones right here, and then I'm gonna take some of the teeny tiny ones and place them around somewhere. It'd probably be easiest to tape this down, but I don't wanna mess up my makeup, so I'm just gonna hold it and hope it turns out okay. And I'm just gonna fill in the star. I really hope this works, because if not, I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. Ooh, it's a little messy. Okay, hopefully I can kind of clean this up real quick with my little concealer brush. The first one's really good though. I don't know how to fix this. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. Okay, I'm gonna place the bigger star over top of that and fill it in. I'm gonna take this teeny tiny little paintbrush and hopefully be able to fix it by hand. Much bigger than I wanted it, but I'd say that's pretty decent. I'm just gonna do some of the teeny tiny ones. They literally look like dots. What have I done? Alright, so I was kind of able to cover it up for the most part. It still shows just a tiny bit, but it's okay. I'm just going to do a few little white dots using my Makeup Forever Aqua Extra Large liquid liner, I guess. This is just the white shade. So I'm going to quit messing with that because I'm just probably going to make it worse and move right on with the lips. I'm going to wear this Hotter Than Wasabi liquid lipstick from Caked Makeup. It's like an orangey red, so I think it'll kind of complement the eyes. And to line my lips, I'm going to use this Nabla Cosmetics Velveteen Liner in Alter Ego. Alright guys, so I think this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I just wanted to play with color today, and I think it all looks very good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can check out my Instagram. I'll have it somewhere on the screen right here. And if you have any looks you'd like me to create or recreate, leave a comment down below and I'll try to get to that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!